I just can't let you go.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with YWigs once more. I apologize for my background noise, but yeah. So this is the same packaging as last time, a drawstring bag, and the box branded YWigs in the wig first. Then I got a wig cap, and I got a hair care card. It also has their social media and stuff listed on this. That's everything that I got in today's package. So for today's wig, I have a natural color water wave 22-inch lace front wig. It is a 360. So I'm really happy about that. It did come pre-plucked as well. It does look really nicely pre-plucked. So that's nice. The construction of the wig looks pretty standard. The only thing, they did put a comb up at the front part of this front hair. I'm not sure why, but I feel like I might remove it. It's usually down here, you know, so I think I might remove that because it's gonna like show once it's like in the front portion, so I might remove that. It does have an area here where you can add an extra elastic band for more security. It does have adjustable straps in the back, and this is how the back portion looks, you know, so you can definitely go ahead and do your ponytail with this. Looks really nice. It's really full. As I said, it's 22 inches long, so I'll be free to put the additional specifications in the description box, like, you know, the density and all that stuff. Everything will be listed down there, you know, even the direct link where you can order this wig if you're interested in a really nice full curly or natural water wave wig.
I just can't let you go.
So guys, I forgot to show you, but this is the extra elastic band that it actually came in the same bag as the wig. So yeah, you could definitely put it inside of the wig if you want more security. So I did cut off the extra lace in the back, so now I'm just measuring it up, and then, you know, I'm going to cut off the extra or the excess lace, and I always start on the ear portion. This is so nice and full. I can't wait to get this wet to see how it looks. I'm going to use my Got2b to install this today. So I'm going to use it right across the hairline. I'm going to speed through this portion.
Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus. I can't focus.
casting, but I'm going to fix that in a few. Right now I'm just gonna, you know, complete the whole hairline portion by just making my swoops, and then I'll proceed to like using my elastic band, which will help to further melt everything down.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied.
So you could definitely go ahead and put this up in a ponytail. So I'm just gonna demonstrate that for you. I actually want to wear this down today, but I'm gonna show you guys that you can put this in a ponytail if you wish, because it is a 360 wig. So you can do that as like a first style. So I'll show you.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus. I can't forget.
You can see I just use that as a scrunchie because I just wanted to get it up really nice, messy bun kind of vibe. So I'm just showing you to demonstrate to you guys that yes, go ahead, it's a 10, go ahead and do your ponytails. And if you want to get it super snatch, you can go ahead in terms of like gluing down the back. Perfect. I didn't glue down the back today. You can see that in like a previous video. I did a full-on tutorial of like me just gluing down the back. That's a recent 360 installation that I did. In this bottle, all I have is some water and conditioner mixed. It's going to like mist the hair right through. You could even go ahead and not wet it out, because I know a lot of females love the volume, you know, that big poofy curly look. But I most of the time go for a more defined curly look.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear.
So I did get shedding from this, so do note that. This side is completely, you know, drizzled in, well, drenched in water now. It's not like dripping though, but I love it when it's like this. And to let it keep this look, usually you can add some mousse or just add a little bit more conditioner, and it should keep it tamed.
I've been stuck going on my way, but it's not like I need.
Now that is a vibe. Yes, no partying, just curls. Yeah, I'm not doing no partying. I'm just doing this complete like pullback vibe. No partying. Oh, that's pretty much it for today's wig install. And I must say, it feels like it's been forever since I've done, you know, just this pullback curly. But I love the curls on this wig. It's so juicy. See it? And it's so full. It is full to the tip. You know, it does have some shedding, a little bit more than I would like, so please do note that. But the fullness, you know, the density, A1, you know, very manageable length, beautiful, you know, it's just a beautiful cap construction and everything. I did go ahead and remove the comb from here as I explained earlier on, but it is definitely a really nice wig. So shout out to YWigs for another bomb wig. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications as usual in my description box, as well as the links, so go ahead and check that out. And yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and checking out today's wig video. And don't forget to go ahead and check me out on my vlog channel as well at PETITE-SUE TV. And I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, just go and big up on yourself.